Yes, I'm on. Hello, everybody. Nice to see you here. Long time no see. If you guys miss me, tell me in a chat. Okay. For those who don't know me, I'm Adelina. And we've been trading live today together. A little story, you want to know something about me? I've been trading for 4 years. My main instrument is US 30. So that's what I'm gonna focus most of the time. If US 30 don't give us nothing, we're gonna look on other things and see which other instrument gonna give us opportunity. Okay, I'm mostly a technical analyst. I look at the charts, I look like at supply, demand, and simple things. If it's too complicated, I don't touch it. Okay, I'll explain the process in real time. You guys want to go on a chart, because actually I'm seeing something right now and I want to go in, right? I really want to go in a short. I saw here a rejection, which follow all my rules. The price is below the EMA 50. So let's take a short. I'll do micro. Here we go. I'll place my stop loss above here. And profit, I'm expecting the price to come to this area, this demand zone, the previous. You can see a big wig, a big rejection here today at 10.12. So I'm expecting to drop till here. But let's see. Oh, I put buy. Did I? Oh, geez. Sorry, I'm nervous. I wanted a sale. Damn it. Here we go. Sorry. Sorry. What's going on? What is going on here? Let's do it again. Here we go. Let's go. I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, so I also took a trade this morning. If you guys want me to walk you through this one later today, after we close this trade that we are actually in right now, I can walk you through. This was my trade for this morning. I did not soak the bullish. I did not. I wasn't in the front of the computer. Okay. Don't forget, guys, this is a safe space. So if you are watching, ask question, okay? Share what you see with me. Tell me how your day is going. I don't know. Talk to me. I'm here with you, okay? Not above you. Okay, it looks like the trade goes in my way. Let me switch to 15 seconds. I do have this area here that I have to pay attention. But I'm confident that it will drop. The 46, 374, 75 at least, okay? Okay. You guys have any questions for me? It feels so weird talking by myself. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Hola, Adelina. Yeah, now I see it. I was in a wrong link. Let's see what the chat is saying. Okay, you want to see S&P? Wait a second, I'm still in a trade. Let's see where this goes. Let's see if it's gonna reject the EMA 50. If not, I'll close it, probably. And then we can look at ES. Let me put a stop loss. Stop loss. Take profit. Here we are. I just took a very small position. I like to be safe. Now we are on 50 seconds time. I like to watch how my trade goes on 50 seconds. Okay. I'm from Romania. I'll go prime. So I know I have a thick accent. If you guys don't understand something, just let me know. I'll repeat it. Okay? And be gentle with me. Today is my first time doing this by myself. If you guys know me, I was doing live trading with the other coaches before. But no, I never did it. So it's the first time. And I'm a little nervous, if you can see. Or you can hear it in my voice. Okay? Let's see. Yes, how I said, I did have a rejection here. I really want to break this area. It was a small zone, but I really want to break it in order to get to my real zone here, where I expect the price to push back up. But we'll see. We'll see, patience. Okay, for those new here, this is exactly what trading actually looks like, okay? Most of the time with a lot of waiting. A lot of waiting. Don't be nervous. Thank you, Daryl. I'm sure that when the time passes, I'll be better. But now I am nervous. I can't help it. You know. And yes, from starting next week, I'll have Sam here with me, so it's gonna be a little easier. Yes. Okay, till this trade plays out, Let me show you the trade this morning. Was kind of same setup like this one. Let me show you here. Similar. Okay. I saw a break in this area at 9:30. And then I saw again the break with a big red candle. That showed me that the sellers are in control. And my strategy is I wait for a full candle to open and close below the area and a rejection, which you can see here at 9:40 this week. It's a rejection for me. So next candle I'm in. I put a stop loss above the area and take profit 1 to 2, which actually my take profit also line up perfectly with the other area, a supply area that before. You can see here the trade that I'm taking today, same concept. I got in a little late because, you know, this didn't work. I was nervous and I couldn't, but I will get in right here, right? I see it break the support, a full candle, a red candle open and close below the support. I had a retest with a big wick. So I supposed to come in the next candle right here, price the stop loss above, take profit 2, which should be here. So, which I should close it now. But let's be a little adventurous, just for the fun. See if it actually is gonna go where I wanted it to go. What else? Let me explain a little bit how do I draw my supply and demand area. Let's explain that a little bit. Okay, let's start here. I draw it from here. I take the rectangle, I place it exactly where the candle close and where the candle, the lowest of this candle and where the next candle closes. If you guys don't understand something, please tell me. Probably I'm not as good as explaining. This area I place the supplies, the demand zone, sorry, the big wick. I saw this wick. I should actually place it right here, but I feel like it's too big of an area. This is okay for now. Let's see, where are you going? Tom say, welcome back, Rockstar. Thank you. Rockstar. Yeah, when Sam is coming back, we will sing you guys rock music. I mean, not rock, because I don't really know nothing rock, but you know, me and Sam will always sing. Ta-dum-pum-pum-pum. I have a feeling that here they try to form a W pattern right here. So I'm just gonna close the trade. Punk. I close it, guys. I did took the trade too late. How you saw, I did took it very late. I should have taken it here, but again, I'm human. I let sometimes my emotion control me. I press buttons here like crazy. So let's see what's gonna happen here. If we actually gonna have a W. Bum, bum. Okay. Probably no. I don't know. We're waiting. Okay, guys, say something in the chat. Ask me something. Help me here, please. Okay, let's go to ES, see what's going on there. That's not my specialty, but let's see. Okay, I have my areas marked here. I did mark these areas based on 1 hour chart though. Right. So I'm expecting the price to touch this area and rejected it. It looks like it might. We'll see. You can see after a drop, it formed kind of a W pattern and it just went crazy here. A range zone break and it's gonna probably touch this area if I'm correct. Let's see. 1 minute. We were very close to touching it. Let's see if it touches this. I want to enter. I want to see a clear rejection, you know, a strong bearish candle. I want to see something here. Okay, how do I draw my supply and demand areas? I do draw it starting from 1 hour. Let me go back to my specialty. Like the big supplies and demand, I do start on 1 hour. You can see this zone right here. And then I go back to the 5 minutes. Here was the zone that I closed the trade today. It was based on this wick. And here. Then I go to 5 minutes to narrow it down. The 5 minutes. Here it is. This is from November, from Friday, right? You can see here a big wick and a drop, a big drop. So clearly this is a strong zone. And I was expecting when the price touches this and give me a rejection to take it, which I did, but I didn't, if you know what I mean, today. Okay. Now we can draw this here for the next. Let's go back to 1 minute. And the trades I take on 1 minute frame. And I watch the trades, how they develop on 15 seconds. Here it is, the W. So I'm waiting for a full candle. I never take trades if my candles are not below or above the EMA. So in order for me to take a buy here, I really want to see a full candle above the EMA. Even though right now I feel like I want to go into a trade, you know, those emotions, I don't want to miss out. Let's focus. I need to calm and wait. And once I have the confirmation, I'll go in. That's really important. Not to rush. I was there. I've been there. I'm still there sometimes. I'm not lying. I'm still there sometimes. You see? Okay. So yes, I'm still there. Patience is the key. This, okay, Johnny Boy. Nice supply and demand drawings. Made sense to me when I watched Brandon Wendell's supply and demand. This on drawing style made it clear. Yes, I mean, I didn't really, I do my own, what makes sense to me. I don't really did it like somebody, or I did what makes sense to me. And I adjusted. I adjust it all the time based on the new candles. There will be days for buying, days for selling, and days where I'll be doing nothing at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But we're not seeing those days where you don't do nothing at all. You don't really see. So when you start trading, you see all these videos on all the platforms where they're showing the action. But actually, most of the time, trading is boring. It's boring. You have to just sit and wait patiently. I do also have kind of my own strategy that I use some indicators for me to help me get better entrance, better confirmations. Probably one day I'll walk you through it. The indicators, some indicators that I use. Here we go. You see, if I was to rush into it, and just because I saw the W to get into a trade, not following my rule, it will stop me because my stop loss will be right here, below this line, below the neck line. And you know what? I guess because I'm here live with you guys, also it makes me be a little more patient. It's like I don't wanna screw it in front of so many people. I don't. Let's see what else. You guys want me to watch to do a chart analysis on other instrument? Anything? You wanna, let's go again on ESC. What's going on there? Maybe I have a better. Okay, so if I was to trade ES and see this, I'll just sit on my ass. I'll not do nothing. But let's draw another area here. If the price breaks this area, come on. I need a mouse that's a little bit more. Here we go. If the price actually breaks this area, I'll look into a sell. Right now, the price is just chilling around. I'm not sure if I actually have Ethereum here. Tiger Bro, really, he's my favorite. I don't know, guys, who Brandon Wendell is, so I don't have nothing to say in that. Did you guys trade today? The Bitcoin break 80,000 level before Fed meeting. I think the next, I don't think I have Bitcoin here to look at it. I don't know. No, probably I don't have. I have just a future account. I can't look at Bitcoin. What's the name? Oh, supposedly I do have Bitcoin. I just don't know how it's here. Pam 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 pam. Okay, so let's wait for this candle to break. Okay, so let's look at the Bitcoin for a little bit. Oh, micro Bitcoin. Here we are. Oh, it was a beautiful rejection here at this area. Beautiful. Okay, let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so we are a support zone right here. Let me move it a little bit here. Okay, so what I will do in order to trade, let me go. I also have a beautiful support here, resistance. support here, resistance above. Okay, this is for 1 hour. Let me narrow down to 5 minutes. Here it is. You can see I trade kind of the same concept on all the instruments. I think it support, resistance, trend lines works on every instrument, right? Let me now go on 1 minute. So this is where I am. On a 5 minute. Let me narrow this down a little like this. Yep. And then 1 minute. Okay, this I'm waiting. If you will see a clear rejection of this area. Right now is not. It looks like they want to break in. You can take a short sell. But it looks like you want to go up. Okay, Johnny boy. What's your thoughts on ES? Let me see. Go back to ES. So you got this area. It looks like you want to go up. Yes. Just wait for, I don't know, a retrace. If you want to go up, those are my areas. I don't really trade Bitcoins, but I hope these areas help you, okay? Yes. What's your thought on ES 748? 748. I did not mark it on my charts. $48 is right here. This one, you mean, right? You could see how easy the bearish move break this area, 48. So the reason why I draw this area is because the price tried to retest it with a big wick, right? This area I did not mark it because it just went through it. The price just went through it. I think this area is kind of more important here, right here. 55 to 60, where the neck of the M pattern, not the neck, how you call this? That's not the neck. I'm sorry, I don't know the word right now. This. You're looking at 1 hour. Oh, you're looking at 1 hour? Probably at 1 hour, this zone that I mark here with the red, it's bigger. Probably. That's why. Let's see. This. Oh, I know what you're doing. So you mark the area starting from here to here. I just marked this area based on a weeks and on 5 minutes. I narrow it. Yeah. Oh. Here. And 1 minute. You see? I can narrow it more, but just leave it like that. It's better to have some space. But it looks like it doesn't want to do nothing for now. Doesn't want to touch my area. Same. With the micro, with the Dow. Nothing is going on right now. Okay, since the market is slow, tell me guys, what are you more of a scalper, day trading, swing trading? I'm curious, what's your style? And if you guys have any question about anything, my, I don't know, strategy, psychology, routine, this is the perfect time to ask me. So right now, basically what I'm waiting is a candle to open and close above my EMA 50 and the support zone, the resistance zone right here where the white line is. Let me delete this one. That's what we are waiting to happen. We'll see if it happens in the next hour. Price is just chilling in the middle, not give me anything clean right now. Here it is, it starts to move a little bit, pushing, push it. Let's see guys. Let's see. Okay, let me narrow this area. And let's wait. Okay, yes. It's the S&P chart. It's slightly different, just a little different. The numbers. I don't know how to explain you that. I don't know how to explain that, but I know because even with the US 30, it's different. But the levels, if you just look at the candle and not at the numbers, the price, it's similar. Just look like at the candles, how they look. It's similar. Not just the numbers is different. Mm-hmm. Let's see, the market looks like it wants to give us an opportunity. It looks like, oh no. Maybe yes, probably no. Maybe yes, probably no. Let's see if I was to take, here it is. Punk 122, which will be right here. If I didn't take this yet, okay? This is a probability, possibility. It's not a trade yet. Okay. So up next, we're gonna have the Max 7, I think with Daryl and Tony. So you have the link in a chat. So when I'm finishing with this, just press the link in a chat, okay? So you can watch the guys, the other coaches. I was watching them this morning when I took my trade this morning. It was Tony on, and I was watching him, and that made me more nervous. I'm like, oh my god, he's doing great. Yeah, I'm sure the others, so they did great, but I did not watch them. The girl had to get ready for this. Okay. If I was to look on 5 minutes chart, this probably looked as a W pattern. Okay, let's just go in. Yes, it did open. You see, I have it here too. I did not have the rejection, the retest this area yet. Oh, should I keep it? Or should I do? Let's just go for the fun, because we have 15 more minutes. Okay, here we go, just for the fun. It's a very small position. Let's go on 15 and watch this, how it's playing out. Here we are. I always forget to put a take profit and stop loss. Guys, you don't forget to do that, okay? Please. And one thing that I have to, and I actually have to still practice, but while I was trading with the other coaches, I like how they trail the stop loss and the profit, how they do that. I need to practice that. I need to take that from them. You know, once you see that you are in a green, just move your stop loss. But let this trade develop a little bit to see what's going on. Thank you, Narcissus drone. Arcis drone, sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so my take profit, it is, so it's 2. Yes, probably I could narrow down a little bit the stop loss. I'm waiting to break this here and I'll move the stop loss. You see this area? Here we go. Let me put like that here. If it breaks, I move the stop loss. Let me do like this. So we're watching. You see what we're watching. Come on. I can consider this a break. So let's move this below the EMA. Even though the EMA didn't really act, it does nothing right here. Oh no, don't do that to me, please. Please, please, pretty please. Pretty please. Let's see. You know, when you watch the 15 minutes the 15 seconds candle, it's just like so much. It's adrenaline. Like I feel my heart boom, 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 boom. Oh God. What am I? Let's see. Come on, we have 10 more minutes. You better give me this trade. What you guys think? What are you guys thinking? Let me see the 5 minutes. Oh yeah, this definitely looked like a W. Right? 1, 2. Right? Yeah, I know. I hate it too. To be very honest with you, when I feel like that, I don't trade. This is just for the fun. Yes. Johnny boy, you really helped me up here. Thank you. You're really helping me. Do I have music on the background? Or should I put music myself? I sing myself. I'll sing. Okay. Let's see. I do have music, okay, so I'm not gonna sing. A rejection this week, but to confirm it, I need the price to break above this. Yes, yes, it was. Or no? Let me check something. This is how I check. I put a line here. I make it thicker so I see it. And then I go left, see what's going on where that line is. Because I didn't like how the price moves around that line. It is a small zone here. It is. But I'm sure we can break it. Come on, we can. We can break it. We can do that. Let me see. Yes. I was watching a video on how to remove the adrenaline flash. One video was saying you should smile genuinely with your eyes squeezed. Now, when I feel the adrenaline, I laugh for no reason. I look like a clown, a joker with no... I have to try that. But how does that, like, what's the reason behind, like, if you just smile like that with the eyes closed? I guess you're focusing on how you smile and closing your eyes that you forget what is in your mind. Probably that's what it is. Come on, please. Pretty please. No. And also, right now for me, it's not just that I have the adrenaline from the trade. I'm also nervous being in front of the camera. You know, I still have to get used with that feeling and talking, you know. And that's why I want you guys to be there with me in a chat, because it really helps. If not, I really feel like I'm talking to myself, you know. Johnny boy. Ask me things, put me in an uncomfortable situation. Not really uncomfortable, but you know what I mean. Ask me difficult questions that I probably don't know how to answer, but I'll try. Okay, guys, I don't know. It looks like it doesn't really want to go my way. Man, I hate potential spams, potential spams. Okay, so I probably will close this trade. I'll close the trade when I'll get out of the live, okay? So for the fun, let's see, where is it going? Is it going? Is it going? And you know, when I say I will want to close this trade, is most of it the panic. I should just follow the strategy, you know? Here, right here. Let me see 1 minute, because my trade was taken based on 1 minute. So here is the first candle open above. Here it is. Stop loss below. I need a 1 tsu. So here is the tsu. Pam, pam. Here is the tsu. So let's see if it works. That's the strategy. That's my way of trading. Let's go back to 15 seconds. I keep saying 15 minutes. So it should play out this. You just want to play a little bit with me. I think that's what they're doing. 2 more minutes. Honestly, didn't help, but it was fun smiling for no reason. Of course, we always have to smile. Norwegian Forex exercise will definitely help before trading. What's the Norwegian 4x4 exercise? I don't know what that is. But trust me, I'll be better next time. I'll be a little more calm. Like, I already start to calm down. Like right now, when it's done, it's 1 minute. 1 minute. I feel more calm. And we're gonna close this, okay? You can watch it, see if it actually goes where I said it will, or if it doesn't. But yeah, kind of that's it. Let's close it, guys. Next time I'll take bigger position, so I feel more adrenaline. Okay. Okay, so next I'll leave you with Daryl and with Tony. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow, mañana. Bye.